Weather coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Taylor Knust and the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
Well, the good news is we do not have any active warnings in North Alabama, but still some strong storms moving into the Shoals region as we speak. Heaviest of the rain currently falling just north of Florence and north of Killen, with some heavy downpours, occasional lightning there across parts of Lauderdale County. Meanwhile, around the Quad Cities, some light to moderate rain moving in to west sides of those towns at this moment. This is the storm to watch. It's not warned at this moment, but we do have a lot of lightning with it. We do have heavy downpours, and I would certainly bet that there's at least some small hail right near the Franklin and Colbert County line right now. That is tracking to the northeast at about 30 miles per hour. So rough timeline for the worst of that storm puts it in Rock Creek at 4:53, Red Rock around 5:04, Smithsonian around 5:10. Then we get toward the Quad Cities once we get closer to about 5:30 or 5:40. So light rain possible between now and then, but the heaviest rain and potential for a lot of lightning and heavy downpours for the Quad Cities could be coming in your way in about 50 minutes or so from right now. Everyone else farther to the east is dry. It's a summer-like day out there with temperatures in the 80s for all of us. It is 88 degrees in Decatur, sitting at 83 in Muscle Shoals, 86 in Huntsville at this hour. For Huntsville, rain chances will pick up a little bit as we head toward the evening. I'd give it about a 40% chance of one of those storms clipping the Rocket City during the early evening hours, so that is something we will be watching. It's more likely that those storms will track farther north and west. That is where a severe thunderstorm watch is in place until 9 o'clock this evening. That does include Limestone County, as well as Lauderdale, Colbert, and Franklin counties, and of course up north in our Tennessee counties, including Lincoln County, also in that severe thunderstorm watch. Damaging straight-line wind and large hail are going to be the primary concerns today. Tornadoes are not completely out of the question, but they are not necessarily likely. We just don't have the ingredients in place for a big tornado threat. But again, it's something we will be watching. Heavy rainfall will be a concern for northwest Alabama late today, through the night, and into Thursday as well. Basically, we're going to see this series of storms track over similar areas this evening, again, primarily north and west of Huntsville through this evening. Additional storms should move our way later tonight, and eventually that wave will cross I-65 and head toward Huntsville by the time we wake up tomorrow morning. So should be a wet start to the day for a lot of us. Those of you around Sand Mountain, you may not see much rain at all out of this event. It's primarily going to stay north and west of you. Continued showers for the first half of the day Thursday should gradually break apart as we head into Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening. Still some isolated activity out there during that time. Heaviest of the rain likely to fall in northwest Alabama into middle Tennessee, where 2 to 3 inches of rain is possible. There could even be pockets of even higher amounts. So there is some flash flood concerns for those locations, and there is a flood watch that will be in effect from midnight tonight until 1 p.m. on Thursday. That does include Lawrence County in Alabama, but the other counties that are in the severe thunderstorm watch are also under this flood watch. Let's look ahead to late this week because we have more rain chances for Thursday night through the day on Friday and into the first half of Saturday. Off and on rain likely. Now, we're not going to see any thunderstorms out of this. It's just going to be a soaking rain that will likely add to our rising creeks and rising rivers. So that will be something to watch as we head toward Easter weekend. Good news is the rain should clear out during the day Saturday. Sunday likely going to be dry for us. Quick look at the temperature forecast for tomorrow. It will be fairly warm in the morning, but cooling temperatures throughout the day down to the 50s by tomorrow evening. Highs will range from 81 in Gadsden to 59 in Lawrenceburg. Everyone's cooler on Friday with highs in the low 60s, and that's right about where we'll stay on Saturday as well. Quick look at the 7-day forecast shows highs returning to near 70 degrees by next Sunday and next Monday.